If you've been dealing with pain at the back of your heel, or maybe you've heard the term Achilles tendinitis and are curious to know more, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this condition. From its causes to treatments and even prevention tips, we've got you covered. Achilles tendinitis, or Achilles tendonitis, is a common injury that affects the tendon connecting your calf muscles to your heel bone. Whether you're an athlete or someone who simply enjoys walking or running, this painful condition can impact your daily activities. What is Achilles tendonitis? Well, it's an inflammation or injury of the Achilles tendon, the cord that runs down the back of your lower leg. It's usually caused by overuse, which is why athletes and active individuals are more likely to experience it. But don't worry, we'll go over everything so you know exactly how to manage it. Let's start with the symptoms. The most common signs of Achilles tendonitis include pain and swelling at the back of your heel, especially after running or physical activities. You may also notice thickening of the tendon tenderness or even warmth around the affected area. If you've noticed any of these symptoms, you might be wondering, what caused it? The most common cause of Achilles tendonitis is overuse. Things like suddenly increasing your exercise intensity or playing sports that require rapid movements. Wearing ill-fitting shoes, running on uneven surfaces, and not warming up properly can also contribute to the injury. Now, how do you know if you have Achilles tendonitis? Well, doctors usually diagnose it through a physical exam and imaging tests. They'll check for swelling and tenderness, and may even take an X-ray or ultrasound to rule out other conditions. An MRI can be used in more severe cases to check for tendon damage. Okay, now let's talk about treatment options. The good news is, most cases of Achilles tendonitis heal on their own with a bit of rest and proper care. Physical therapy is often recommended. Stretching exercises can help strengthen your calf muscles and prevent further injury. If the pain is severe, medications like ibuprofen can help reduce inflammation. In more serious cases, your doctor might recommend surgery to repair the tendon, but that's usually a last resort. Prevention is key, right? Here are a few tips to help avoid Achilles tendonitis. Make sure to warm up before any exercise, stretch regularly, and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. Also, be sure to wear well-fitting shoes and avoid running on hard or uneven surfaces. To wrap things up, Achilles tendonitis can be a real pain, but with the right treatment and preventative care, you can get back to your activities in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. And if you have any questions or want to share your experience with Achilles tendonitis, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. For more information and to know more opportunities for managing Achilles tendonitis, make sure to consult your healthcare professional. See you in the next video.